So here's another Briggs Boardwalk. It opens up into this mangrove or very swampy looking place, and a little area to stay here, and we'll see what we see. Who knows? There's got to be a gator or some water moccasin in here just chilling. There's got to be. Nothing so far. This boardwalk is super sketchy. It does not like me walking on it. I'm walking down the middle, right where the nails are, so I don't flip. There's a swamp puppy, come on. There's gotta be one in there. Of course, you wouldn't see it. They're so well hidden. A little fire damage came through here. Selective cutting, here's a fire.